If you're thinking about buying Arcus solution, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before making a decision. Stick around to the end because you'll get insights that can help you choose wisely, and I'll show you how to get the best offer, plus a completely free trial. First thing to consider is its versatility. Unlike many competitors, Arcus solution stands out by offering an all-in-one solution. Whether you're a small business owner or running a larger operation, it caters to diverse needs. Project management, CRM, and analytics, all in one place. Many other tools specialize in just one area, but Arcus integrates these elements seamlessly. If you're used to jumping between different apps, like most businesses, you'll feel the efficiency of having everything in one tool. Next thing to know, pricing. While some alternatives like Salesforce or HubSpot can get pretty expensive, Arcus provides a more cost-effective solution. It doesn't just look cheaper, it delivers value. They offer tiered pricing that scales with your business needs, so you're not paying for features you'll never use. And if you click the first link below, you'll get the best possible offer along with a free trial to test it out yourself. The third thing you should know is its user interface. One of the biggest pain points with other software like Zoho or Microsoft Dynamics is their steep learning curves. Arcus, however, is designed with simplicity in mind. It's intuitive and easy to use, even for teams who don't have a dedicated IT department. If you're looking for a solution that you can get up and running without a massive training investment, Arcus will save you time and headaches. The fourth thing is integrations. Arcus seamlessly connects with popular software like Google Workspace, Slack, and QuickBooks, but it also offers robust API support for custom integrations. Compared to competitors like Monday.com, which offers limited integrations, Arcus is much more flexible. You won't be stuck with limited options or forced to pay for third-party tools to make it work. Next up, let's talk about customer support. One area where many software providers fall short is in offering responsive customer service. Arcus doesn't just have a support team, they have a 24/7 live chat that's actually helpful. You won't find yourself getting frustrated trying to get your questions answered. The support team is knowledgeable and proactive, which really sets Arcus apart from competitors like Freshworks, who have more limited availability and often leave you waiting for a solution. The sixth thing to consider is security. In today's world, safeguarding your business data is non-negotiable, and Arcus solution takes it seriously. With end-to-end encryption and compliance with GDPR and other industry standards, Arcus ensures your data is safe. Many competitors cut corners when it comes to security, but Arcus has invested in building a secure platform from the ground up, so you can trust them with your business's most sensitive information. The seventh thing you need to know is scalability. If you're growing fast or planning to scale, you need software that can keep up. Arcus is designed to grow with you. Whether you're adding new users, expanding to new departments, or branching into new markets, Arcus offers the flexibility to meet evolving business needs. Unlike other software solutions like Asana, which may require expensive upgrades to accommodate growth, Arcus allows you to scale without hitting the ceiling too soon. So, after hearing all this, if you're ready to take the plunge and try Arcus solution, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial offer and access to some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. If you want to save time, money, and improve your business operations, this could be exactly what you've been looking for.